Well, friends, there are many critical items as far as LHB coaches are concerned, and measurements which are quite critical and not that easy as ICF and CASNA, but once one is aware of it, then it's too easy also. Only the thing is that we need to know where do these items exist. So this is a very short video on just telling my viewers about where and how to check these clearances between lateral and longitudinal bump stops and traction center. So these two longitudinal and lateral I'll just show you in this small presentation, and I hope after seeing this you will be able to identify and take the measurements. This is the LHV trolley, and here these are four bumps, one, then two. So this will be longitudinal like this way because this is along the track. And then we see here one small, if we see very minutely, because I couldn't get the picture more clear than this. And one is here. So this will be the lateral clearances. So here also it is recorded and here also it is recorded. Then both are added together to get the total value of lateral clearance between traction center and the lateral bump stops. Similarly, the to and fro readings between these lateral bumps and the traction center here, small clearances, this we record and add these two to get the total value of longitudinal clearances. Now this looks like this one. So here we have, again we can see these 1 and 2, these are known as longitudinal bumps stops, and these are lateral bump stops, correct? So here we don't have the bolster, these are the secondary springs. This can be coil spring as well as air spring, as the case may be. So then what we do is, these are the two uh, arrows indicating one reading is here, another is here, between these two in assembled condition. So we take these two and add it. So after adding it, the values are 8 mm plus 5 and it's minus 2. So it ranges from 6 mm to 13 mm. This is the range of longitudinal clearance. Then further we have these lateral clearances as well. So these are the lateral bump stops. These are the lateral bump stops, and don't get it mixed with, it is written here, I am just showing this arrow and this arrow. So this is lateral stops. So again we have these two clearances, which is 25 mm plus 5 and minus 2. So this ranges from 23 millimeter to 30 millimeter, while in many cases I have recorded up to 60 mm, 58 mm. Likewise, this is quite abnormally high. So these are two vital measurements what we need to insist upon, and this is very well mentioned in the performa of annexure C of the accident performa circulated by board, and this is as per performa what I am telling, and these readings are as per your this thing what we call this manual. So don't worry, these are all given in the manual, and this is also given in the manual, so nothing to worry. We are not taking anything out of the manual. So I hope you have a clear conception about where to take, how to take, and what are the limits of this. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you.